So what's up, boys? Yeah, I was able to shoot the Ultradyne Apollo Max 6.5 Creedmoor, and it is absolutely badass. When I shot the Savage Arms the first time without the muzzle brake, I could not see my impact. I couldn't keep track of the sight picture. Once I put the muzzle brake on, I can see every shot. Recoil 50% less. It's awesome. Would I recommend the Ultradyne Apollo Max? Absolutely. I would say 50% recoil reduction. From a new shooter's perspective, I'm gonna get it on my AR. I'm gonna put it on this, and awesome.